Hey guys, it's Al with Tech Made Easy, and thank you so much for clicking on our video today. Well guys, we are excited because we've got the brand new, totally redesigned EcoFlow 160w portable solar panel. This is foldable, it comes with a nice carry case now, and guess what? The carry case is no longer a kickstand. This has brand new kickstands on the back, as you can see right now. And this even has a really cool solar angle guide built into the panel. You don't have to buy the accessory. We're going to show you it later anyway, but still. We're going to unbox this. We're going to take a close look, show you what it comes with. We're going to test it with a Delta 2 so you can see what we get on a bright sunny day. We're going to show you different angles on concrete, and we're going to show you angles on grass. So why don't we go ahead and get this party started. Hi, this is Al from Tech Made Easy with a really quick message. The video you're about to watch is sponsored. We received this product from the vendor. But keep in mind, we will be very honest with you as we review the product. That is very important to us. If you like our video, I sure hope you give us a thumbs up. I hope you share our video. And last, I really hope you subscribe and become a part of the family. Thank you. Let's go ahead and get this unboxed. And there it is. I'm interested in seeing the changes to this panel, you know. A lot of people like the kickstand, you know, and how you can lay this back with the case, but it didn't always work well. And you do actually get a solar cable, by the way, which is nice. And this is actually the XT60, guys. So this is a better cable. This is the cable that you want, especially with many of the EcoFlow Delta products and maybe some of the higher end River 2 Pros and stuff. Again, this is compatible with other power stations. You do get a quick start guide. So we're going to take this panel and we are going to test it with the Delta 2. This is a little guy that's also expandable. So we're going to test it with the Delta 2. And I'm going to put the specs up, the solar specs for the Delta 2 and this 160 watt panel in the upper left hand corner. Now go ahead and hit pause if you want to review that, but we're going to move on and check this out. Before we start the test, here's some more information. So this has an ETFE coating that they say will make it last a long time. Again, you already know it's IP68, so it's protected against dust and water. It has an integrated solar angle guide. You saw that. We're going to be showing more of that later. Up to 25% solar conversion rate. So pretty interesting. That's pretty high for a solar panel. And it's got a new cell type. They call it an N-type. So that's something that I'm not even aware of. It weighs 12.3 pounds or 5.6 kilograms, and it does come with a 1-year warranty. All right, let me go ahead and just open this up. But let's take a look at the case for a minute. I always like doing that. So it looks like the case has stayed the same. It's a good case. It's a very interesting way that the zipper kind of seals a little bit, which is nice. And you do get these two pulleys on the zippers. These come off every once in a while, but maybe they won't anymore. I'm not sure. But open this up. You've got a cushion handle here. So you just kind of tuck that in. That adds a little cushion while you're running around. So nice case. Let's open this up. Again, all the way down there. All the way down here. Fabric, nice fabric. EcoFlow logo, and let's crack this open and take a peek. We get to start to see, you know, what this actually looks like and how it's actually changed, which is interesting. Oh boy. All right, let me crack this open all the way. So in this case, the case is now just a case. It is no longer any kind of kickstand. It is made well. It does its job. That's a good news story. So your cables are tied in on the corner here, and then when you loosen the ties, you'll be good. This thing has 2 kickstands now. It actually has 2 kickstands and a flexible strap. So we'll see how that works. It's got one on this side. It doesn't have any in the middle. And then it's got another on the other side. So hopefully this thing balances out real quick. Now I want to show you something that's really new this year. They actually put a solar angle guide on the panel. All right, so it's not here, but that's it. That's a solar angle guide. Now I don't know how it's going to perform, because I love the little solar angle guide they came out with, but I'm interested in seeing how this works. It's supposed to cast a shadow, so very interesting. The panel looks the same quality-wise. It really does. Their panels are pretty darn good. Let me put this out so you can see what it looks like angle-wise. So I just put the panel up. Look how high this thing sits because of the new kickstands. Look at that. Look at that angle, right? Again, here they are. The magic sauce, right? The new update. And they've used these stretchy cords, as you can see here. That's pretty nice. Now let's take a look at it from here. I just want to kind of go here and look at this angle real quick. You see that? Now I'm going to see how far I can make this go back real quick. All right, so remember this angle. Boom! Look at that. I mean, seriously, look at that. I could probably have gotten it down more, but look at that. That is amazing, man. I love these new kickstands. And this is, again, on concrete. Just imagine on grass. Because concrete, sometimes it's slippery. It won't stay. So, really nice. Now, check this out. They included the new solar angle guide built into the panel. And let's just see what it looks like for now. So, are we on point? I don't think so. Okay. So look at the shadow in the upper right-hand corner, practically, that little shadow. So you've got this little circle, and if you can actually get it in the dead circle, then you basically have your best angle. So we're going to fix that real quick. Let's do that. But that's the solar angle guide. So I changed the angle. Look at that. Now watch the sun. Watch this. Right up there. Right up there. So boom, boom. So now we've got the perfect angle. Let's take a look at this solar angle guide and see how good we are. You see the dot? It's dead center, that dot, that shadow. Dead center. Pretty cool. Well, we're going to plug this in now. All right, before we do the test, I want to show you a couple of things. This is the EcoFlow Solar Angle Guide. So if you ever want to pick one of these up, maybe because you don't have this panel, this basically lays on the panel. You can clip it. You don't really need to, but you can lay it on the panel, and it'll actually show the shadow and tell you you've got it in the right position. So link will be in the description. Now, you should also get longer solar cable, because you don't want your solar panel and your power station to be right there next to each other. Most cases, you usually want it in a cool area. And this is the MC4 disconnector tool. Very inexpensive. We'll show you how it works, and we'll put links in the description. But let's connect this and see what we're getting. Now, people are asking what's, XT60 and XT60i. Well, the Delta 2 actually has that extra pin on top. See that little pin on top? Not the 2 pins, but if you look up, you'll see there's a little pin there. And I'm wondering if I can just lift this up. See that? So that little pin there actually helps. So an XT60i cable will actually help get you more solar wattage. So again, here's the XT60i cable. Let's connect this for a minute, and then we're going to go ahead and see what we're getting from that panel. All right, it's time for us to connect our cables. And let's see what we get. I got the app here also. But give it a moment. And then there it goes, 130, 135. And as you can see, the app is also updating. 135 out of 160 watt panel. Nice. That's really good. Again, there it goes on the app. Here it goes on the power station. I call that a success, and that's actually pretty steady. Again, we don't have clouds in the sky, which is really nice. So 136. Well, guys, that is a success. I am impressed, and I like the new kickstands. Let's take a last look at the solar panel. But here's the 160 watt panel at its highest angle on the grass. I mean, this thing looks like it's standing on its own. Actually, it is. Look at that. So you can see there, pretty straight with those two kickstands. Let me show you the lowest angle. There it is at its lowest angle. I mean, it's almost laying down, going to sleep. You can see these new kickstands really help. Not bad. Not bad at all. So check that out, 136 watts on this new EcoFlow 160 watt panel, totally redesigned. Love these kickstands, by the way. Love these. These feel like they're going to last a while also, right? They're bolted in really well over here, which is nice. The straps allow them to adjust, which is interesting. It's a really unique design. So I am liking that, all right? And I like the new solar angle built right in. I like that. And let me go ahead and show you how this tool works real quick. All right, still showing 136 watts. Now this is a 60% charge, so it says it'll take 3 hours to charge the Delta 2. All right, now using this tool is real easy. You're going to take it and put it on the long end, not the short end. This is the short end. This is the long end. And what you want to do is just take these two pins, put them in between these two pins. So you're just going to take this, lay it on top, like so. You see that? And they're pushing the pins now. And all you do is pull this apart. And that was it. So this is the video that we did on the Delta 2 power station, and it is expandable, by the way. And what I'm going to do in a moment is I'm going to pop a link up in the upper right hand corner. It's going to be Delta 2, and when you see that, you'll be able to click on that and actually watch the video right now. I'll also put a link in the video description. But let's go ahead and pop that word up, Delta 2, right there. Click on that, watch the video, and don't forget it'll be in the video description also. So folding this up is real easy. There's no wrong way to do it. All right, just take this panel like this, right? And just fold it up like this. See that? I'm just kind of closing it in and closing it in. You'll be okay. Don't worry about this up against the panel. You're going to take this now, and you're just going to throw it right in the bag, and you're done. And guess what? We've got our video on the 220 watt BiFacial solar panel by EcoFlow. And this will be out any day, so make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And that's right, BiFacial means that it can get wattage from the front and the back, and this is totally redesigned. So again, subscribe to our channel, and this is coming out any day now. All right, guys, well, this is getting a double thumbs up from me, because I have reviewed many EcoFlow products. And I love the new kickstand. I love the new solar angle guide built into this thing. Very, very cool. I hope this video helped you. And if it did, take a moment and give us a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. All right, I'd really appreciate it. And by the way, if you want to follow us on social media, I will put our social media channels right up here. All right, you can look us up on social media, and we have a Tesla channel in the upper right hand corner. If you look us up on YouTube at My Tesla Journey 1 with a Z, you'll find us. We're just starting to make videos. We've got our car now a little more than a year. We've got almost 19,000 miles, and we're starting to make some videos. Some of them are accessories right now, but we're starting to make some videos as we learn more, all right? Videos will be on the right side if you want to check them out. And by the way, if you want to subscribe to our channel here at Tech Made Easy, I'm going to put a round logo right where my finger is. Click on that round logo, and you'll be able to join the family and subscribe. That'd be great. We'd love to have you, all right? Guys, thanks so much. Have a wonderful day.